All right, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to go from nothing to a complete, ready-to-publish activity book in just a few minutes. So here we are inside the Spy Academy Hub. Everything in here is, of course, themed around the spy missions and secret codes, which, honestly, that makes it the books way more fun than your standard puzzle books. Kids and adults love this. So now you've got a bunch of different generators to choose from here, but for the demo, I'm going to create a Cipher book. So this is called Cipher Crackers. Okay. And now Cipher Crackers is where you create books full of coded messages that readers have to decode. So it's kind of like cryptograms, but different, more interesting. Because of just one puzzle type is repeated over and over, in this case, you've now got 9 different cipher types to work with. So there's Caesar shift, shift each letter toward the alphabet. You can see all the descriptions on here. The @bash, the number code, okay, it explains what each one of them does. And you can work with any one of them, or you can do what I'm going to do. And I'm going to say mix it up. And I'm going to have all of them shuffled throughout the book. Okay, so now that we have it mixed up, you're going to want to choose your letter, page size, I should say. You can see there's 16 of them here. Letter A4, 5 by 8, 6 by 9 is very popular. But 8.5 by 11, it works perfectly for somebody who wants to sell on Etsy as well for printables. So you can choose whatever format you want it to be. I'm going to choose the medium font size. That's like a size 12 font for this. Now you can do up to 50 missions with this book. And because we want this to be a full book, I'm going to say 50 missions. It's great if you want to have smaller portions and connect different ones together. You can do that. Or if you just want them as printables, then you might want to do less. But I'm choosing 50. I'm going to always include the answer key, which will come at the end of the book. And of course, there's a decoder key on each page, which is kind of like a little helper. Okay. Now I can choose black and white, or I can choose full color. So I'm going to choose black and white because, you want it costs more on Amazon to print that. So this way it keeps it simple. So I'm going to click deploy the missions. And as you can see, it went really, really fast. So we're going to download this. All right. I'll throw it onto my desktop, and I'm going to just name it For Everyone. Okay, and here's the book. You can see it right now. So obviously I don't have a cover page on this, so that's the next thing I'm going to want to do is take it to, probably if you have a PDF editor, or if you want to take it over to Canva, you can do that and put a cover on it, add that type of information. And it just says at the bottom of the page is no copyright added here. It just tells you which mission page it is. Okay, so agent, we have intercepted a coded message. Use the @bash mirror method to decode it. It tells you which one the cipher is on each page. And then you just have to decode it. Okay, this one's reverse words all the way through, you can see. And now I'm going to just skip closer to the end. And the last few pages are going to be the answers. So this book is actually 54 pages, right? Because 50 pages are the actual activities. And here's they're just silly, fun sentences that we put into here. You can have a lot of fun with these. And so that's all they are. And so now what I would do is I would turn around and I would create a book cover. Personally, I use it I'm just going to show you something here. I created this book cover over at ChatGPT personally, because I wanted to have some fun with it. And I really like how they're doing the covers right now. But I put it into Canva so that I could put my PDF in here. Okay, and now you can see that this is in Adobe. This is what I had saved from the PDF. And everything looks good. And there you go. There's the book. You can do so many different things with this. This is just one version. I hope you enjoy it. And there's lots of different things you can do with this. Lots of different codes and so many different styles of books. And you'll find out on the inside.